Hey y'all. So I was going to be making some chicken thighs for dinner, but I opened up the pack of chicken thighs and found out that I labeled the freezer bag incorrectly. I had cut up some chicken breast to make into chicken nuggets, and apparently I stuck them in a chicken thigh freezer bag because the freezer bag said I was chicken thighs. So we're going to have baked chicken nuggets for dinner instead of chicken thighs. The good thing is it won't take as long to bake as a chicken thigh will. I have a cast iron skillet with some avocado oil in it heating in the oven for chicken thighs. So we're just going to stick this in there. I'm just going to put these nuggets. I mean, I could fry them, but I don't really want it. I don't like frying food, but like once every now and then. I know y'all see my fried chicken nuggets and you're like, ooh, bet they're having them every night. But we're not. We don't eat fried food very often. And I do it most of the time just for a video. And that time was to show you a recipe on how you can make it without all the carbs. So I'm just going to add some garlic powder, some smoked paprika, and I'm not measuring. I'm just cooking like I always cook when I'm not videoing. I'll sprinkle a little salt, and we're going to do some black pepper. And I'm just going to mix it all around. Try to get a little bit on all of it. Just want them lightly seasoned. I may add a little more paprika. So we've got this sugar-free dipping sauce that does not make my blood sugar go up, but you know, I don't use it very often either. So we can dip these in that when we're eating them. All right, so there's the chicken. Let me go get the skillet out of the oven. This has been seasoned with avocado oil. I think I have about a tablespoon of avocado oil down in here. And it should be hot because it's been in the preheated oven. I'm just going to pour this in. It's definitely hot. You can hear it sizzling. Let's try to even it all out in a single layer. And it's not going to take long for these to cook because they're boneless, they're skinless. Some of them aren't cut apart that good, but it'll be all right. And I'll have some left over to put on a salad tomorrow. So I'm going to stick these in the oven. I'll let y'all know how long it cooked when I pull them out. I also have some eggs steaming on the stove because I'm going to make some deviled eggs. Alright, let's see if these are done. They are done. See the bigger pieces? I just take one of these big pieces and just cut it in half. And if it's not pink, it's done. Now you can also use a thermometer and check it that way. They smell good. That's all there is to making baked chicken nuggets. They're super easy to make. We'll see what Steve thinks in just a few minutes. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell y'all, I cooked that on 375 degrees. It was a preheated oven. The skillet was already hot. And I cooked it for 10 minutes. That's all it took, was 10 minutes. But the oven was preheated.
Hello, I'm reviewing this chicken that is really good. It's grilled chicken. I think it was supposed to be chicken thighs or something.
Yeah, I apparently put the chicken nuggets in a bag that was labeled chicken thighs instead of nuggets, which I probably did that accidentally, you know, my brain.
Yeah.
And so I pulled out, I thought I had 2 packs of chicken thighs, but it ended up being 2 packs of chicken nuggets because I take the breast and I cut them up into nuggets, so we'll have nuggets when we want them.
Right.
Because normally I fry them, but today I was like, well, the pan's already heated, so let me throw these in there. We'll have some baked chicken nuggets.
So we're using this sugar-free dressing.
Dipping sauce.
Dipping sauce. And so the first piece, I just poured some in my bowl over my chicken. And the first piece, I took a bite out of it that had the sauce on it, and it was really good. Well, then the second one I just ate, and it didn't have any sauce on it. I'm like, man, this tastes like Chick-fil-A grilled chicken. It is really good. Did you put MSG in it or something?
No.
I mean, this just has a good flavor to it. It's tender, it's juicy.
All I did was take the chicken nuggets, put some spices on them. It's all on the video.
Yeah.
Throw it in the hot skillet, cook it for 10 minutes. It only took 10 minutes because they're boneless,
Really?
Skinless. So I got to remember this because this will be a quick, easy.
Yeah. This is really good.
Well, I'm glad you like. Thank you for your review.
I bet.
Drill worthy?
Drill worthy and 2 thumbs up. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you have it, drill-worthy baked chicken nuggets, comparable to Chick-fil-A according to Steve, the master taste tester. April is almost here. Don't forget to check out the next collaboration I'm participating in. It's called Healthy Snacks 25. My video will post on April 19th, but there are going to be a lot of great channels participating throughout the month of April. So be sure to check out those channels and videos. It's going to be hashtag Healthy Snacks 25. Thanks so much for stopping by, and y'all have a very blessed day.